Look, you about to kidnap Bill Cosby. How many motherfuckers can say that they did some shit like that? Huh?
Oh, yo, he's about to say it.
Come on.
Y'all niggas gay.
What?
Did you just say the word?
No. I said y'all pause gay.
Okay. All right. Well, hold on. So, like, you mean to tell me that, you know, when you're here, you know, you're in your house, right? You're home alone. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's in the vicinity.
Mm-hmm.
You don't just say the word.
No. Of course not. I would never. Bro, just the other day I was in the shower and...
Life in the dog, in the phone, in the grill. Rich in the hole, in the house, in the building. Still. OJ Life.
You see, bro? I make sure to take a breath of fresh air. You know, you're not gonna catch me slipping, bro.
So what does that sound like in your head?
What?
When you're singing these songs, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the word comes up, what do you hear?
Black paper time, all right?
Yo, is he even black? What?
I'm 4% Guyanese.
My cousin 4% too, man. He says it all the time, man. He good. Man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Well, what do you hear?
I don't hear anything, man.
Oh, you don't hear anything. What, you expect me to believe that, man? That's impossible.
No, listen, man. I spent years training my brain not to say wiggle.
Oh, shit. Yo,
I heard him say it. Did he just say wiggle? Hey, what the fuck did he say?
What the fuck?
Get his cracker ass.
No, listen. I said wiggle.
Yo.
Oh my God.
What the fuck?
Wait. Hold on. You're not lying. You're serious.
Yeah, I'm serious. Bro, listen, I would never do anything to disrespect you or your people or the culture, man. Listen, I have nothing but respect for y'all.
All right, man, you got it. You really don't say the word. Huh. All right, man, look, I'm gonna catch you tomorrow, man, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, we good though.
No,
we're straight.
No,
man.
hey, listen, I didn't mean to make you feel uncomfortable, bro.
You good.
Listen,
I believe you.
no, listen, I celebrate Juneteenth, man. I celebrate Juneteenth.
For sure, hey, MLK Day.
Yeah, no, Black History Month, man. Come on.
No, but you guys, I don't believe it. Something's off.
Yeah, no, you're right. I'm gonna figure it out though. Don't worry.
Everybody type in the chat, Alex is a stupid...